will discuss how to make central file in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more latest videos. Like and share also. If you need to work with multiple users on the same Revit project, you have to activate the central file feature. Make sure you know all the differences between local and central files. Each user creates a local file to work simultaneously on the same project. Then, they synchronize the changes to the central file, which is located on a local server or on the cloud. Revit starter page is in front of us. It is very important to manage information of this model before creating a central model. Let's see it. There is a back button on top left side in Revit starter page. We enter in Revit homepage by pressing this button. You can press this button or you can select home screen button on top left side or press the shortcut key Ctrl D. Access home page by using any option. Now press option button in File tab. Options dialog box is in front of us. There are two notifications in General section. First notification is Save Reminder Interval. Save Reminder Interval, how often the software reminds you to save recent changes to open files. You can adjust reminder timings by this drop-down button. The second notification is synchronized with Central Reminder Interval, how often the software reminds you to synchronize with Central. You can also manage the timings of this notification from this drop-down button. Slightly below is username. The first time Revit is run on a workstation, it uses the Windows login name as the default username. You can change and save the username. In subsequent sessions on the same workstation, Revit defaults to the saved username, not the Windows login name. If team members are not consistently working on the same workstations day to day, they must be sure to reset the username for each session because the default name will be that of the previous user. When you collaborate within your network, editing permissions are based on the username. Two or more active local models or a local model and the central model should never be edited under the same username. Doing so could cause the local models to be incompatible with the central model. When you collaborate using the cloud, the username field is updated to match your Autodesk ID. You can sign in Autodesk from here. Here default path for user files in File Locations section. Which local file is created by accessing central model is located in that folder path. We can change this path by browsing. Now we create a new project in File tab. If you already have project template, then you can use it by browsing. We start with Architecture project template. Make a new folder with the name Central Model so that we can understand the processing steps with details while making Central Model. For understanding the central model procedure, I manage the saved path folder. I adjust this folder on screen. Now it's good. Observe the quick access toolbar. Save button is enabled and synchronize button is disabled. Save this file first of all. Access central file folder by browsing and go to options. Assign maximum backups of this central file by numerical value. Press OK. You can assign any name of this file. Save it. File is appearing in folder. Please keep in mind, don't save this file again. If we save it again, it will make another file and so on. Our latest file is only that what we assign name first of all. Now go to Collaborate and select Collaborate tool. Here two options. First option is within your network and second one is collaborate using the cloud. Collaborate within your network allows you to collaborate on a local area network LAN. For example, you are accessing a model in Office and the other users also accessing this model at same location with local area network. Then we use collaborate within your network. And if multiple users accessing central model on different locations using wide area network, so it's collaborate using the cloud. We select within your network. Save button is enabled and synchronize button is disabled. Save this project. Save file as central file message displays. Select yes. Now save button is disabled and synchronize button is enabled. There is also backup folder created in central model folder. It's a central file. Close this file and make a local file. Open this model. Keeps check create new local. So your local file will be created. Select all in open drop down button and open the model. Save tool and synchronizing tool both are enabled now. Local file is created by accessing central model always. When you save the file after working, the local file is saved. And you transfer your working in central model by synchronized tool. I hope you understand now how to make a central file. For more educational videos, keep watching BIM Talks.